Kia Corporation has unveiled the EV4 at the 2025 Kia EV Day in Tarragona, Spain. The event strengthens Kia's product lineup to increase the adoption and appeal of electric mobility. Versatile and practical, the EV4 is an athletic all-rounder that represents Kia's first electric sedan, 4-door, and hatchback 5-door, designed for urban and intercontinental travel. Launched to redefine the C segment and available in both sedan and hatchback body styles, the Kia EV4 offers a fresh approach to the traditional aesthetics of the sector. As the campaign slogan "Your Edge in Motion" suggests, the Kia EV4 offers a new typology for sedans and hatchbacks. In doing so, Kia expands choice in an EV market traditionally focused on CUVs and SUVs. As a core model, the EV4 also expands Kia's award-winning EV range and appeals to the early majority customer segment. It encourages EV adoption through a blend of practical and innovative design, technological reliability, and a flexible electric vehicle experience that meets a variety of customer needs. What battery options does the Kia EV4 run on, and how far can it go on a single charge? 58.3 kWh standard and 81.4 kWh long-range battery options. Delivers class-leading all-electric range AER of 630 km, long-range model, according to WLTP standards, and ultra-low drag coefficient of 0.23 CD, full underbody fairings for optimized aerodynamic performance. 150 kilowatts motor for a best 0 to 100 km per hour performance of 7.4 seconds. One charges 0 to 80%, long-range model, in just 31 minutes from a 400V EV dedicated platform. Built on Kia's exclusive 400V electric global modular platform, EGMP, both Kia EV4 variants have the advantage of choosing between standard, 58.3 kWh, or long-range, 81.4 kWh, battery configurations. These provide a front-mounted 150 kW motor that delivers 0 to 100 km per hour performance of 7.4 and 7.7 seconds respectively, and a top speed of 170 km per hour for both variants. This allows the EV4 sedan to offer a class-leading target range of 430 km in the standard model and 630 km in the long-range model. The EV4 hatchback offers a long-range projection of 59.0 km when fully charged according to WLTP standards. A 1% 0 to 80 charge can be achieved in just 31 minutes, while the EV4 features an 11 kW on-board charger that accepts both single-phase and three-phase inputs. The EV4's exceptional EV capability can also be used outside the vehicle, thanks to its 3.6 kVA vehicle-to-load (V2L) functionality and 10 kVA vehicle-to-grid (V2G) functionality for indoor and outdoor use. Whether used to power electronics on a camping trip or to power essential home appliances during a power outage, the EV4's practicality and flexibility can help users both inside and outside the vehicle. Featuring 12.3-inch, 5.3-inch and 12.3-inch screens, the EV4's 30-inch widescreen connected car navigation cockpit, CCNC, sets class-leading standards for in-car entertainment. Kia's newly introduced remote OTA update allows customers to perform updates remotely via their mobile phones and seamlessly connect with their vehicles. In addition, the innovative connectivity function allows customers to take advantage of new display themes, such as NBA and Disney-related content, to personalize the vehicle. In addition, the cutting-edge Car Smart TV solution takes infotainment to the next level by offering a rich range of entertainment options, including YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, games and karaoke. With support for a wide range of content formats, such as 21:9 aspect ratio, for YouTube and Netflix, the system's display can be fully utilized for an immersive experience indoors, and will be continuously enhanced by adding more categorized content, such as streaming services, games and news via an app store.